Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, another vlog. Another video. Of course video, but another topic guys. So, for today, we're going to talk about toxic Filipino mindset when you have a foreigner partner. So, it's really common guys. Here, if you have a foreigner partner, first, they think that you are so rich. You are such a millionaire, billionaire, trillionaire. That's what they expect us. They want us to pay for this, buy me that, buy me this. You have a foreigner, so you have lots of money. So it's easy for you, or like, it's too small for you, that amount. Like, and then if you will not give them what they ask you, they will call you that you are, we call it here, tihik. I don't know what's that in English, like, I don't know what's that in English, like, they call us bad thing, like, you know, like, if we don't give them what they want, or like, if they ask us to buy this one, they, because you know guys, even if we have foreigner partner, if us, like, we have a foreigner partners, so their expectation is really too much guys. But you know guys, we need to work. They are just like Filipino also guys. If they will not work, they will have they won't have money. Like, they don't have money if they won't work. They will not have money, right? So what they expect, like, because he is a foreigner, so for sure he has lots of money. That's what they expect. But just like, if they will not work, no money. So keep it in mind guys, not all foreigners are rich, you know. So that's why don't expect too much, especially like, you know, like, if you have a family members or like friends, you expect them to pay everything, like, you know, because of course she has a foreigner, so that's okay. And second, they think that she changed behavior because she thinks that she is already on top because she marries or have a foreigner partner. So that's what they keep on thinking guys, that just because we don't give them what they want, or we don't accept, or like, we don't do like what they expect us to do, so they will tell us, you change, your behavior change, your attitude change, just because you have foreigner partner. So that's what they tell us. So just, if you know guys, we have our own also. If we can feel that you are just using us because, you know, you think that we're just dumb, that you, hay nako, we are more than that guys. So you really expect that it's okay with her, because it's okay with her if we will ask her like that. Then if she will not give, we can call her like this, she's terrible, she doesn't give, she changed her attitude. So that's the second one. And the third one, they will tell you, come on, when are you guys getting married? You must get married na. Why you keep saying, why you keep telling us that? We know ourselves, we know when we want to get married. Don't pressure us guys just because you want us to get married, not because this is what we want. Because you know, so many couple happen to do like that, like, even they don't like it, or like, they are still not ready to get into relationship or into marriage life, but just because of the pressure of everyone that keeps asking them, when are you getting married, why is not marrying you, like, you know, like, if you just don't know guys, how pressuring how pressuring it is for us na you keep on asking about it. So maybe just mind your own little business, you know. We know ourselves, guys. We know when we are getting married, when we are ready for that, because for now we just want to enjoy as girlfriend and boyfriend, or like as partners, fiance, or whatever it is. So just wait. Don't pressure us, guys, because you know it's not nice. I don't like it, especially when they keep on asking. We know when we want, or like you will be surprised, you know. So stop asking. Mind your own business. And the fourth one, they keep on saying keep telling you that if you have a foreigner, you should go abroad. Why is not taking you there? You know? Why are you still in Philippines? You've been together for so long. Why is that you're still here? Why it doesn't get you going there? We're not getting abroad. Guys, we have our own choices. This is what I choose. This is what we want, to stay here, or like whatever it is, to enjoy here while in Philippines, or whatever it is. Why you keep pressuring us? Why you're not going there? Yeah. So many like comments that we don't need. We don't ask you for comments, guys. So just keep your mouth shut. You will know if we're going abroad. You will see it. Stop questioning us. It's not good to us like that. So that's the fourth one. Toxic mindset, right? So you need to be careful, guys, because that's what they expect us. If you're a foreigner, you need to go abroad. You need to get married soon. Whatever it is, you need to have so much money, because they expect you a lot. And the fifth one, they're gonna say, oh, when are you going to have babies? You need to have a babies. So they will not leave you. The foreigner will not leave you because you have na. They keep on saying that one. Why you keep asking? Why you keep pressuring the girl? Women. We have our own choices. Even if you're just they gonna use the victim we're just asking. They are just so marites. You know what's marites? Like, you just know more about our relationship. Just, if you're too interested, just wait and see. Don't keep question. So that's the fifth one, guys. And there's still more toxic mindset when it comes to a relationship of Filipina and foreigner. So there's a lot of it, guys. And then that's the 5 top toxic mindset. So now, guys, wake up. It's already 2025. Stop pressuring, or stop asking question that is too private or too personal, because you might not know what they are up to or what they are going through. So just be kind always. And that's it. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Mwah.